guest, along with our revered principal, is arriving in the hall. I request everyone to please stand and welcome them. A very good morning and warm regards to one and all present. It is my proud privilege to extend a very warm welcome to you all on the second day of 1 week workshop on yoga, a scientific way of living, organized by Government College of Yoga Education and Health in collaboration with the Film Studies UIFVA Chandigarh University Kadua. This workshop is an attempt by the college to explore the various aspects of yoga and disseminate knowledge about the age-old science through scholarly views by the experts in the field. As we all know, the workshop commenced yesterday with the enlightening everyone about the basic principles underlying the science of yoga, and today is the yet another opportunity for all of us to gain more insight about this cultural heritage of India. On this colossal occasion, we have the rapture of having on our campus an eminent personality, and I extend a genial reception to the graceful persona Brahm Kumari Anitaji, who is a senior Raj Yoga teacher and center in charge of Global Peace House Sector 15, Chandigarh. We welcome you. We also extend a very warm welcome to BK Preeti ji, accompanying her. A very hearty welcome to you all. We are truly blessed to have you with us today. I now request our revered principal, Dr. Sapna Nanda, to welcome our worthy chief guest and esteemed speaker of the day by presenting a plant pot. Thank you, ma'am. As goes by the tradition of our institute, let us all seek the blessings of the Almighty. I request our worthy chief guest to grace the lamp lighting ceremony. Respected principal ma'am and faculty members to please accompany her. BK Anita ji, BK Preeti ji. With this lamp lighting, let us pray that we all transcend on the path of love, peace, prosperity. Worthy chief guest.
Very good morning to all. Thank you, Sergi. This morning is indeed blessed with the gracious presence of very divine souls, Sister B.K. Anita ji and Sister B.K. Preeti ji, so who have graced this program with their gracious presence. Very Honorable B.K. Anita ji, my dear students and faculty members of this premier institution of yoga education, namely Government College of Yoga Education and Health. It's a matter of indeed pride for the college to have B.K. Anita ji, a senior Raj Yoga teacher, as the chief guest for second day of 5-day workshop on yoga, a scientific way of living. I feel privileged to introduce our worthy chief guest for today, who has very humbly accepted our invitation and spared her precious time to be with us today morning. B.K. Anita ji came in contact with Brahma Kumaris in the year 1979, and after completing her studies in 1987, she dedicated her life for spiritual development of self and others. Having a strong spiritual inclination since her childhood, all her questions were answered when she came in contact with Brahma Kumaris, and thereafter she pursued the path of godly service wholeheartedly and with the rigorous discipline of mind, along with deep faith in the divine, continues to give her sublime spiritual experiences. She is a great orator and speaks on a wide spectrum of themes such as stress-free lifestyle, leadership skills, emotional intelligence, art of right thinking, living values, harmony in relationships, and the practical techniques of Raj Yoga meditation. She has conducted various meditation camps in corporate seminars, motivational talk sessions across India for various multinational companies and government departments, and on multiple TV channels and online platforms. Didi is a core member of Raj Yoga Teachers Training at Mount Abu and specializes in Gyan Yoga Bhatti programs. I can go on and on in sharing her achievements and accomplishments, and the list is never ending. She is a grace personified, and her mere presence has lent an extra charm to this program. We are truly honored to have you with us, Didi Anita ji and Preeti Didi, and we look forward to hear your pearls of wisdom, and I truly believe that it will inspire our dear students and the faculty members. So before I conclude, I am reminded of an anecdote which is related to today's topic, that is Raj Yoga, a way of happier life. So this is like this. There is a little boy who has lost her keys, and he is trying to find out under the lamp post, very restless because keys are not seen. So another boy comes, may I help you? So both of them, they start looking for the keys, and then a couple comes and then they also join them in finding out the keys, but all in vain. Then a gangster of 4 boys, they arrive and they also join in finding the keys, and all in vain. So then a senior person, he asked, Beta, where have you lost your keys? The boy says, I have lost my keys in my home. So everyone is surprised. You have lost your keys in your home and you are finding it under the lamp post. What's the reason? कहता because घर में अंधेरा है ना, तो इस करके यहाँ लाइट है, इस करके मैं यहाँ keys ढूंढ रहा हूँ. So the same is true with our lives also, कि अंदर तो अंधेरा है और हम खुशी ढूंढने के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? बाहर जाते हैं, मॉल्स में, रेस्टोरेंट, वेकेशन पे चले जाते हैं, अब्रॉड जाते हैं, हिल स्टेशंस पे जाते हैं, पिकनिक्स पे जाते हैं, टूर्स ट्रेवल्स पे जाते हैं खुशी ढूंढने के लिए, जबकि खुशी कहाँ है? हमारे अंदर. सो इसी बात को एंडोर्स करने के लिए दीदी इज विद अस कि हाउ वी कैन फाइंड द रियल हैप्पीनेस, ट्रू हैप्पीनेस विद इन आवरसेल्फ थ्रू ये राज योगा.
Thank you. May I now call upon Dr. Mohinder Kumar for the formal vote of thanks.
विश्व में केवल शांति शांति और शांति का संदेश व कनेक्शन देने की सतत ज्वाला चला करके मानव सेवा में अग्रणी बीके संस्थान से नुमाइंदगी करती हुई बीके अनीता दीदी जी आज राजकीय योग शिक्षण व स्वास्थ्य महाविद्यालय के योग मंदिर में आप पधारी हैं। चाहे आप कोरोना काल में ऑनलाइन हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहते थे, लेकिन फिर भी आपने ऑफलाइन जुड़ करके साक्षात आकर के आप पधारे हैं। बहुत बहुत साधुवाद कहता हूँ। आप अपनी निश्चित ही तपों में, करुणा में, आत्मिक, आध्यात्मिक, मानसिक संतुलन से जीवन व्यतीत करती हैं। संतों के इस प्रकार के आशीर्वचनों से ठीक उसी प्रकार से ही हमें लाभ मिलता है। जैसे मई जून के महीने में जब तपिश होती है और बारिश होती है तो हमें निश्चित ही आत्मिक शांति मिली है, कल्याण हुआ है। चंडीगढ़ प्रशासन के द्वारा योग शिक्षा दीक्षा की जिम्मेदारी राजकीय योग शिक्षण महाविद्यालय की तरफ से संभाल रही हमारी प्रिंसिपल महोदया बीके दीदी जी ने यहाँ आकर के, यहाँ बुला करके, निमंत्रण दे करके, निमंत्रण स्वीकार करके आपने ऊपर भावी पीढ़ी के ऊपर एहसान किया है। मैं सभी भावी योग शिक्षकों, योग चिकित्सकों और सभी कर्मचारियों की तरफ से कहना चाहता हूँ कि आपने जो कहा है, जो बताया है, जो समझाया है, उसे हम अनुसरण करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं। बीके दीदी जी, आप नारी शक्ति का प्रतिनिधित्व तो करती ही हैं, साथ में आप ममता, करुणा, परिपक्वता से, सरलता से, सौम्यता से और जिस दृष्टिकोण से राजयोग के मर्म को जानती हैं, तत्व से समझाया है, निश्चित ही हम लाभान्वित हुए हैं। आपका आभार रहेगा। मैं पुनः राजकीय योग शिक्षण स्वास्थ्य महाविद्यालय के छात्र छात्राओं की तरफ से, प्रिंसिपल महोदया जी की तरफ से, सभी कर्मचारियों की तरफ से आपको साधुवाद कहता हूँ, धन्यवाद कहता हूँ। प्रातः स्मरणीय आदरणीय बीके प्रीति दीदी जी, बीके अनीता दीदी जी, आपके पुनः आगमन का राजकीय योग शिक्षण स्वास्थ्य महाविद्यालय हमेशा इंतजार करेगा। धन्यवाद। चरण स्पर्श, करबद्ध नमन। ओम शांति।